Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your middle seat belt. First, locate the buckle and the metal tongue. It's crucial to ensure the belt isn't twisted or caught under anything, as this can compromise its effectiveness. We'll cover both the 2-point lap belt and the more common 3-point shoulder and lap belt systems. Understanding these differences will help you secure yourself and your passengers safely for every journey, providing peace of mind on the road. For vehicles equipped with a 2-point lap belt in the middle, the process is straightforward. Take the metal tongue and firmly insert it into the buckle until you hear a distinct click, confirming it's latched. Then, pull the loose end of the belt to remove any slack, ensuring it fits snugly across your lap. Remember, the belt should rest low across your hips, not over your abdomen, to provide optimal protection in case of a sudden stop or collision. Many modern vehicles feature a 3-point shoulder and lap belt for the middle seat. Begin by pulling the shoulder strap across your body. Next, take the metal tongue and insert it into the buckle until it clicks firmly into place. Once buckled, adjust the lap portion so it sits low across your hips, and position the shoulder strap across the center of your chest and collarbone. This ensures maximum safety and comfort during your travels. To maximize safety, always ensure your seat belt is snug, with no excess slack. A loose belt significantly reduces its protective capability. It's also vital to never place the shoulder strap under your arm or behind your back, as this can cause serious injury in an impact. Before starting your journey, take a moment to confirm that all passengers, especially those in the middle seat, are correctly buckled up. Your safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.